must be close by now.
Patrick, look! We're doing great! Shell City's only 5 days away!
Here it is, Mr. Krabs, fresh from the oven. I'll be returning to my life now.
I wish we still had our
yet.
car.
I gotta make sure you did it right.
Our car!
Wait a second. This would go great with some milk.
The key!
Where do you think it is?
That way, moving west.